Have you been getting that? Like the deeper I get into my 20s, the more I'm kind of realizing I have no idea like who the hell I am. Where I feel like when we were in like
Yeah.
school and especially high school, there was this high school and college, there was almost this push because the environment was more structured where
Mm,
you started to have an idea of an identity of yourself. But
yep.
then the more I just get into the adult world and I realize how kind of, I guess you'd say, just flowy everything is, I'm just like, I do not know who I
Yeah.
am or where this is going to take me.
I think it's definitely the mature type of things, I guess. Like now we're like, at least me, like I feel like I overthink things a lot more compared to when I was, for example, in college.
Mhm.
Like I think the other day I was talking to my boyfriend about it, and I was saying it's crazy that let's say when I was in college and someone told me, "Hey, there's an after party here." I would go without asking any questions, and that's so dangerous compared to now. It's like I don't know this person. Where is it? Like that's so weird. Like I would not go.
I
So
know.
that's like the biggest shift in my life because I'm like, how was I that reckless?
Uh-huh.
So yeah,
We
that
were somehow like dumber and more reckless, but I feel like we just landed on our feet more.
yeah, oh no. I mean, I'm still here, but
Yeah.
still it's like I think it's maturity and just thinking things a little more. And I guess we're like more in touch with ourselves now that we're older, I guess. So we question things more.
I don't know if I'm more mature. I feel my problem is I'm realizing I need more time and there are more things fighting for my time.
Yep.
So I have to think things through more about what I'm gonna like send it towards.
Yeah, no, I
But
think you have the right like wording because I still sometimes feel like I'm 18, but trying to be an adult.
I feel like I go through like it's like a stock price. I feel like I'm being smarter at some points and more mature. And then I just go through a phase where I'm like, I've been too mature and too orderly. I just need some chaos. And it just
A
dips
hundred
down.
percent.
And I go
Yes.
back into like 18-year-old mode for a couple weeks until I realize that I can't keep that up and we slowly rebuild our maturity.